In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects, collaborating with your team, or simply keeping your life on track. But to truly unlock its potential, you'll want to bring your team members on board. Whether you're sharing a specific Trello board or inviting people to your workspace, I'll walk you through every step of the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add members and start collaborating seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Trello board that you want to share. Once you're on the board, look for the Share button near the top of the screen. It's usually easy to spot, so go ahead and click on it. Now, in the field that appears, you can type the name of the person you want to add. This can be their full name, Trello username, or even their email address, whatever is most convenient. After you've entered their information, click the Share button to send them an invitation. If you'd like to invite multiple people at once, Trello makes that simple too. Instead of typing each name individually, click the Create Link option. This will generate a unique shareable link for your board. Copy the link and share it with your team through email, chat, or any other communication platform you prefer. Now, let's move on to inviting people to your Trello workspace. From your Trello home screen, start by selecting the workspace you want to add members to. You can do this by looking at the left-hand sidebar and clicking on the name of your workspace. Once you're in, find and open the Members tab. Here you'll see an option that says Invite Workspace Members. Click on it, and a new field will appear where you can enter the email addresses or Trello usernames of the people you'd like to invite. Once you've entered their details, click Send Invitation. Now, all you need to do is wait for each person to accept your invitation and verify their account. This step ensures that they have access to your workspace and can start collaborating with you. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily add members to your Trello boards and workspaces, making it simple to share ideas, manage projects, and stay organized as a team. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.